Greetings, my unbelievable 2018 Built to Last V family all over the world. This is your supermodel, gorgeous, unbelievable, one and only, alright, your upline chief Padman Senati Raja. And guys, I hope you know you're joking when I call myself a supermodel, gorgeous and all that stuff. I'm just joking, okay? No, I'm not. I am, okay? But guys, I'm excited. I'm here in Jakarta, one of the most amazing cities in this part of the world, putting together amazing plans for Indonesia. I'm here with AVP Rosli, with AVP Tobing and his leaders. And I believe that after what happened in the Malaysian elections, okay, where my idol, okay, a man who influenced me so much throughout my journey growing up as a young Malaysian, Tun Dr. Mahathir, okay, came back as Prime Minister of Malaysia at freaking 92 years old. Alright, if there's one definition of built to last, that is Tun Mahathir. But more importantly, it was about the voice of the people being heard. So finally, as a young man, I'm proud to be Malaysian, because finally we have a country for the people, by the people, and led by a man who is built to last, guys. So welcome to a new Malaysia, all right? And many of you know that His Excellency Lim Guan Eng, the Chief Minister of Penang, also, all right, is won and may become the Minister of Finance of the whole country of Malaysia. Unbelievable, guys. Okay, now this Wednesday, I'm sitting here in Indonesia, dealing with everything around the world, going crazy on WhatsApp, okay, catching up on so much on my WhatsApp right now with all of you. So all of you right now are getting a lot of messages from you. I realized something, that in the early days when I used to sit down one-on-one with Dato Sri Vijay, and I want you to listen to this Wednesday message very carefully, because it's a bit scientific and you have to catch it, okay? And so listen very carefully to my voice. Alright, guys? I spent a lot of time with Dato Sri. And if you look at my years of training, whether it's on stage, off stage, wherever I am, I've always highlighted this word, that one thing we have to avoid throughout our journey in life is something called the comfort zone. And when we talk about the comfort zone, we talk about prospects signing up in QNet. And to get there, they have to get out their comfort zone. And a comfort zone, as I have projected to you in all my videos, are people who are out there, go to work, come back home, 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 go to work, come back home. Alright? And now they want to become an entrepreneur, and go to work, come back home is a comfort zone, and now they're becoming an entrepreneur. But you fail to understand that once you start your journey in networking, from the time you begin to max out, because that's how I define the journey. A lot of people say, Chief, you know, is max out the only thing? I said, guys, wake up and smell the coffee. Every destination, alright, has to be an ultimate destination. And in network marketing, is very simple. You start with 0 on the left, 0 on the right, and you eventually want to reach a point where you are maxing out every week. 1 TC, and then 2nd TC, and then 3rd TC. And after you have maxed out 3 TCs consistently every week, give me a call. Actually, no need. I will give you a call. Alright? And this journey from 0 to max out, the timing of the journey, alright, can be 6 months, can be 6 years, can be 16 years. This is one thing that I have never guaranteed you at any time I've spoken to you. This is one thing I don't think anyone can do a training to actually, alright, show you when you can max out consistently. Now this max out after 6 months one time and then totally drop and never max out again, this is bullshit. This is a one-hit wonder. This is like Ice Ice Baby, you know the song by Vanilla Ice, alright, okay, it only happened one time, it's a one-hit wonder. But I'm talking about consistent max out, because in network marketing, alright, success has to be consistent. That having spikes and lows and spikes and lows and spikes and lows simply means that you have failed to establish a group of people whose focus, whose intensity, whose commitment to build is consistent. You have failed to build that. But you have people who get excited, come to this event, go to that event, pump, promo, blah, blah, blah. But that's too much hard work. You want consistent growth. You want to max out consistently every week for the rest of your life. Alright? In 1, 2 or 3 tracking centers. And this is how we are built. This is how Dato Sri Vijay trained me. And I'm sitting here today financially free is because of consistency of max out. Not a one-hit wonder once in 3 months. Now the challenge throughout this journey, that knowingly or unknowingly, we fall into a comfort zone. And you are watching this video, don't be confused. The comfort zone doesn't mean the guy sitting down there singing Kumbaya, drinking mango juice, doesn't want to work, doesn't want to be active. No. A comfort zone means your mind has embraced your current situation and is forcing you to live there. Now a comfort zone can be 2,000 US a week, can be 20,000 US a week, can be single TC max out every week, and you are still in the same state of mind as the guy who will go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home. Because the comfort zone is not about how much you make, how successful you are, who you are. It's about the mind stopping. It's about losing completely the desire to evolve, to grow, to challenge your status quo and become bigger, stronger, louder. Alright? A comfort zone is when you don't actually believe your potential is limitless. And a comfort zone may not necessarily be a positive commission zone. That many people today, I realize, are in a comfort zone simply because they are in a challenging situation. Alright? That many of our leaders around the world, alright, over 20 years I've dealt with them, including you watching this video, that it's easy to complain about where we are and how difficult life is, alright, or how great the challenges are. And then we keep complaining and keep complaining and keep complaining and keep complaining and keep complaining. Because sometimes I think that one of the most dangerous comfort zones is for us to complain about everything to justify our lack of growth and success. And Dato Sri Vijay used to hammer me big time when I did this with him. I used to go and tell him 3 million reasons why my organization cannot grow. 7 million reasons why this market is so tough. And he used to look at me and say, Padman, I don't care about all this. Alright? Do you still have one reason that is going to push you? Alright? If you don't have that one reason that's going to push you, then quit the business. And I realize today that each one of us are in different comfort zones. Now, to be fair to you, you look at me and respect me and say, Chief, you are the greatest. Thank you. Right? But I am sometimes in my own comfort zone. Alright? Because this mind, alright, as Dato Sri always hammered me, we go to the gym, we work out, we look after our body, but we don't have a gym for the mind. So if you truly want to be a consistent max out king, a consistent max out queen in QNet and the V, my answer is very simple. Constantly push yourself out of your comfort zone. And I'm sorry, nobody knows your comfort zone. Nobody can identify your comfort zone. Nobody can define your comfort zone except you yourself. And you know this. So if you are watching this video, look at me very carefully. You know you are lazy. You know, alright, you prefer to bitch and complain about your situation instead of rising and improving what you have control over. And stop wasting time complaining what you have no control over. Alright? You know that you can push yourself from 5,000 US to 7,000 US. You know that you can push your downlines to perform far better. You know that you can do a direct referral every day if you want to. Alright? And you know that you can send out far greater positive energy than you are right now. And you know in your heart, alright, not pushing yourself hard enough. And you know that all the challenges around you are not in your control. Alright? And you know that sometimes we lose people, we lose organizations because we are ineffective as an upline. I have lost people because of my ineffectiveness as an upline. You know your comfort zone. You know that you haven't made the decision that you want to do this. You know that you are wasting time, half the day, on absolute bullshit without being productive. You know that you are pushing the wrong people and you don't have enough trespass to push the right people. Alright? You know that you pamper your network more than you hammer your network. And you know that every market you build has limitless potential. You just don't have enough commitment to build it. And you know that you have broken every promise you have made to your downlines, to your uplines, to your family members. And it has just become acceptable. Therefore, it has become your comfort zone. That you know that you have made more money than you ever dreamed of, some of you at least. And that has become your comfort zone. So this comfort zone will destroy you. This comfort zone can be the most comfortable place from a public perception, but a nightmare to your growth. The greatest battle we face every day, the greatest battle I face every day, is not how hard I can push myself. It's not whether I have goals and presentation and max out for all of you. It's about how I stay focused every day, every minute, to push myself out of my comfort zone. So I am your upline, I am chief, I am Patman Senatiraja. Then if I have a comfort zone, then you are definitely in a comfort zone. And the first rule of getting out of a comfort zone is to identify your comfort zone. And then smack yourself and get out of it. Because this year is about built to last. This year is about being limitless. As Dato Sri Vijay says, this year is about change. Alright? And each one of you right now, you are in a comfort zone. So if you want 2018 to be the most unbelievable year in your life of network marketing, my answer is very simple. Get out of your comfort zone. I love you guys and see you at VCon UAE.
Woo!